guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is ChrisHanXoxo. In today's video, I will be sharing a very trendy skincare treatment, DIY chemical peel at home, and I hope you guys like it. If this is new to you, chemical peel is basically to use an acid or a mixture of different acid in certain concentration and pH level to damage skin at a very controlled level and to trigger your skin cells to renew, to regrow for a glowy, healthy, and new skin basically. If you do it right, follow the instruction, you will achieve great results. For me, I had some bumpy textures from my acne and some sign of aging like fine lines, wrinkles, and I also have some unevenness under my nose, some redness under my nose. So chemical peels can basically help with all these skin issues. That's why it's so popular. I tried these products from this amazing brand, Perfect Image. So this is the Glycolic 50% gel peel from Perfect Image. It's enhanced with retinol and green tea. So this is the product. It's like the mid-level of concentration. They have lower concentration and higher, because I tried the low concentration acid for exfoliating before. So my skin kind of is pretty comfortable with acid. So I picked the mid-level to start with. And I've been using these products for 4 weeks already, and I saw great results. Also, they sent me this cleanser. It's the anti-aging resurfacing cleanser. So this is a very gentle gel cleanser. Also has some resurfacing exfoliating acid in it. It's enhanced with glycolic, TCA, and retinol. So all these ingredients are to resurface, to exfoliate, and to reveal the natural glow of your skin. So this is like a preparation step for the actual chemical peels. So if you want to prepare your skin with cleanser and you basically want to start it 5 to 7 days before you apply your chemical peels. So use this cleanser once or twice a day for 5 to 7 days, and then you go into your chemical peels. And also you can finish your chemical peel treatment with this moisturizer. This is Hydra Repair Super Moisturizer. I mean, after chemical peels, your skin will feel a little bit dry, and you want to restore the moisture, restore the hydration of your skin. So make sure you have a nice moisturizer after each treatment. I mean, I am a beginner for chemical peeling as well, so if you guys are new, don't worry. You just follow the instructions step by step, and I'll show you how I do it at home safely, and follow all the instructions and to achieve the final result. Before we start, I just want to give you a little bit more information about my skin. My skin is pretty dry, and I'm in LA. My skin is constantly experiencing a very low humidity kind of environment. So I use tons of hydration and moisturizers on my face in my routine, AM, PM, sometimes a little bit more during the day. And also my skin is not sensitive. I had a little bit experience using very low concentration of acid for resurfacing and exfoliating before, so my skin is kind of get used to the acid, that kind of products a little bit, so it's not very sensitive to acid. So that's why I chose 50% as my starting concentration. So you guys can adjust your concentration level and contact time and number of layers depending on your skin condition, but you can always start small with low concentration to be safe. And you might want to limit your contact time of the application to 1 minute to avoid any risk of getting irritated. And also you can follow the instruction and do a patch test on any skin close to your face to see if your skin reacts well with these ingredients. So without further ado, let's move on to the application. If this is a new product to you, you're trying it for the first time, always do the patch test. Use the product on the skin close to your face. For me, I did it to the skin behind my ears. It's pretty sensitive, it's close to the face, but if there's any irritation, it won't show. I won't have any downtime. So I did it and my skin reacts pretty good. It doesn't feel any irritated, or it's not like very burny or anything very uncomfortable. So I move on to the actual treatment. I prepare my skin with this anti-aging resurfacing cleanser enhanced with glycolic, TCA, and retinol. So this cleanser is great for preparation for an actual chemical peel. I use it once or twice a day for up to 7 days before the actual chemical peel, and if you have sensitive skin, you can limit your use to once a day. So how to use this cleanser? It's like your regular cleanser. Mix it with water and massage the products onto your skin and cleanse your skin thoroughly. And then rinse and dry your skin. After the preparation, my skin is ready for the chemical peel, and I use a cotton pad, put a little bit products on the pad and wipe the product on my face, focusing on these targeted areas like forehead, like smile lines, and the cheeks. I usually use it for just 1 minute and let the chemical work on my skin. After 1 minute, I just flush my face with cold water to rinse it and to stop the activity of the ingredients. For my skin, I really don't see any dramatic physical peeling after each use, but my skin can be a little bit dry and sensitive, so I usually follow up with the Hydra Repair Super Moisturizer. So the texture of the moisturizer is very balmy, very rich. This moisturizer is great for restoring hydration back to the skin after the chemical peel when the skin feels a little bit dry. And right after the treatment, my skin feels immediately much brighter, tighter, and smoother. I am so happy with the result, but remember, you should always wear SPF regularly after treatment because your skin will be very sensitive to the sun exposure. And over time, I think my hyperpigmentation and unevenness of my skin tone are very much improved. So this is how I DIY chemical peels at home with Perfect Image. It's professional grade chemical peels, but it's very safe to use, and the ingredients are like very efficient in treating different skin issues. So my recommendation is that you pick the right concentration. You can always start with low concentration and increase your concentration over time, but it doesn't mean that low concentration is not working. It is working. Your skin will feel it. Do your patch test before use and just follow all the instructions step by step, and you will really enjoy the results. It did feel like a little bit burny at the first few treatments, but I think it goes away like pretty quickly. After applying moisturizer and SPF, my skin really didn't have any downtime. Some of you might have a professional chemical peeling at a beauty salon with your esthetician or beauty experts, but that's pretty costly. Usually it's gonna be like a couple $100 each time, but doing it at home with Perfect Image products, each treatment costs you less than $2. That's so amazing, very affordable, very easy. So far I am very happy with the results. Some hyperpigmentation on my cheeks, cheekbones, and some smile lines and redness under my nose are improved, and I will continuously use these products to improve these issues. So if you guys are interested, I have put Perfect Image products link in the description down below. You guys can find more on their website and pick the right concentration to start with. If you have any questions or comments about Perfect Image or chemical peeling overall, just let me know. Use the comment box down below or DM me on Instagram at ChrisHanXoxo. Hope you guys enjoy your peeling and your new skin. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!